Let me show you all gestures that you can use on the Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to find the gestures, you will have to go for System, and then here we can find them. So the first gesture is actually the quick tap. So we can link any action into this double tap on the back of the phone. So we have to grab it and then double tap on the Google logo. And in my case, I will actually take the screenshot. There we go. Another option is to quickly open the camera when we press the power button twice, like this. There we go. Next, we've got also flip camera for selfie. So when we turns into the selfie camera and then make this flip gesture, it will turn to the selfie camera. Then we got tap to check the phone. So when we lock the screen and then tap on it once or two times, we will actually get some preview of the lock screen information. The same with the lift, check the phone. So when you turn off the screen and then grab it, you will actually get information about some time notifications and stuff like this. So this is some kind of the motion. Right here we can also find the one-handed mode. So you have to pull down the top half of the screen. It's easier to reach with one hand, like that. And we've got also press and hold the power button to bring the voice assistant. And we can flip to mute, so it will actually quickly turn on the disturb mode when you put this device face down on a flat surface. This is it. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.